Hey guys, welcome to another one of our cleaning videos. It's Tuesday the 24th of October and we're here in Wandsworth in southwest London. We're working on this Anglo-Portuguese school and we're working on behalf of one of our construction clients. As you can see, the guys busy in the background on the MZ250 and they're cleaning down the exterior of the stairwell. The other parts of this job include steam cleaning the brick walls up on the roof level to remove all the moss and also cleaning some of the roofs and servicing some of the downpipes. So stay tuned. If you've got any comments, as always, leave them below and we'll answer them. And if you're liking our content, give us a thumbs up and make sure you've subscribed.
So, good morning, my name is Ryan, I am the Operations Manager for LBC. So today, the plan is we're just looking at the schedule now to have a look at where the guys are, what they're doing, making sure that they've got all of their necessary work available for them. Looking at the training matrix as well, which is on the side, just to make sure I can confirm both. So for the plan for today for myself is we're heading out to site to drop off the cherry picker to a guy that's on site currently. We'll then head over to another site, pick up the DOF system that's sitting on a site and bring it back to here and then carry on doing our day today. I see here, bye-bye. Hi. Right, he's coming to the yard. I'll let you liaise with him because they're going to go down to Gabriel's job now, which obviously will take me about 2.5 hours. Yeah, it's in Southwest. I'm going to hit every traffic light man on the way around.
So we've been on the road now for about an hour and 15 minutes, so we should be arriving shortly. We'll get down there. Jim is the guy that's taken the cherry picker. Hopefully he's made it all right with no issues. We'll get there, replace the cherry picker where it needs to be, get it all set up, get Gabriel, who's our site contact, who's working for us at the moment down there. He's been down there since the start of the job. So we'll get some information on him as to what the next phase of the project is. Get everyone debriefed so we all know what's going on, and then what we'll do is I will take a guy called Lorenzo with me. We're going to go to another site and collect a DOF system and put it in the van, and then we'll head back to the yard and then we'll leave obviously Gabriel and Jim on site with the cherry picker to then do their project they need to carry out for the work today, and hopefully it all goes well.
Chambers and that here.
Yeah.
So yeah, you have to be a certain distance away from the chambers.
Yeah.
So the chambers over that side as well. But with this side, I can put the legs out. With this cherry picker, you can put the legs out on one side or both sides.
Yeah.
Or you can put them straight down. So I want to put the legs out one side so I can get more of an extension.
Okay.
So quite a busy day today, guys. We've got one team here, obviously cleaning this. We were due to seal the roof over in Finchley today. We've already cleaned the roof last week, but due to all the wet weather, we've been really struggling to get in there to seal it. Today was meant to be dry, and then it bucketed it down this morning, so we had to reschedule and find some other jobs for the guys. Luckily, we had some urgent graffiti removal come in, and we've sent Aaron and Matthew, the new guy, over to do 2 different graffiti jobs today. It's been a busy week. This morning I was at a networking meeting. Yesterday we had 2 new starters. So we had our videographer, and he's straight in on this project, which is brilliant to see. Yesterday we did a bit of brainstorming and where we want to take LBC into LBC Productions in the future. Stay tuned, watch that space. Also had Matthew come to us from another commercial cleaning company where he wasn't very happy. He's been like a site supervisor, wants to get more hands-on, which is great to see, and he's also got other skills in sales and estimating and surveying and all of that sort of stuff. So excited to see where he develops in the company. There's lots of opportunities which way he can go. So I'm looking also for an estimator, because at the moment me and the operations manager are sharing the role of doing the site visits, which is probably not the best place for us to spend our time. So if you know anyone who would want to join a fast-growing, exciting company in London, going out surveying all the projects like this one that we do, then yeah, please drop a note or tag them in the comments below. Do you want to grab him for me? Cheers. Do you need hard hat, Gabriel? So now I'm just waiting for the site manager to come out. When I first came, we weren't cleaning the rear side of this stairwell, and now from what the guys are telling me, they've asked them to clean the rear side of the stairwell, so just need to clean that up. We can do it, but it will be an additional, and it's also going to be quite tricky because we can get all the existing work done in one day with a cherry picker. To do the other side, which is only probably an hour or two's work, we're going to have to come back a whole other day with the cherry picker and the driver, so it's going to be an awkward conversation possibly. Oh, hi David, it's Conan from LBC. I'm just down below at the van. Are you around for a quick 5-minute chat?
Yeah, I'm here, Dave.
Yeah, is it okay to come in?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm on the 3rd floor.
3rd floor, okay, I'll come in now.
Cheers.
Cheers, bye-bye. Just spoke to the head surveyor up there, and we don't have to clean the side that faces the main road, as was put in my video when we done the site visit. But that often happens on jobs, especially when the person's not around who surveyed the job. I think they call it job creep or something like that, where other people will tell the guys on site, oh, that was part of it, that was part of it. So it's very important to have these sort of things on your field management app, and to try and keep the scope of the job. Scope creep, I think that's what it's called. So try and keep the scope of the job from how you surveyed it and how you've priced it to actually getting the guys to do what you've priced and not extra. Because lots of people on the site can say to the guys, oh, that was part of it, that was part of it. And then before you know it, the guys have wasted 2-3 hours cleaning a part that's not even part of the job that you're not getting paid for. So very important, if there's anything outside of the scope, you have that discussion early on and you say, look, it wasn't part of the thing. And luckily I had it on video with the guys walking around on the survey saying, that part's not part of it, and they were all like, yeah, that's not part of it. So I had it on video, luckily. I didn't have to use the video, but you can imagine if it wasn't on video and then one person, and they've actually had a change of people as well. So when we surveyed the job, it was one guy, he's gone, and now there's another guy. So you imagine the other guy says to us, oh no, that was always part of the job, and then you get into a bit of an argument. So it's lucky to have it clear from the offset to when the guys are on the job and stopping that scope creep. thanks for watching this week's videos. If you've got any questions about anything that you've seen, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're liking our content, please give us a thumbs up. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here to find out more about this MZ250 cherry picker, or click here for some more roof cleaning videos.